I am Vikas Chorankar, parent of Master Supash Chorankar, and he being the state topper, it gives us a very privileged to be part of this family. And Stellar has been a guiding force behind him. We hardly interacted with Supash during these 2 years because we had full 100% faith in each Stellar and the teaching staff, the non-teaching staff, and the bus facilities were excellent. And we strongly recommend Stellar, e-Stellar for all the future generations of Goa. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Supash Sodankar and I'm the Goa State Topper for JEE Mains 2024 and I'm a student of Stella Higher Secondary School of Excellence. Speaking about my journey as being the State Topper for JEE Mains 2024, I would like to give the credits to my teachers, parents and all the teaching and non-teaching staff here at Stella. So I would like to say that I was consistent since 11th standard, like I studied every day, and my JEE Mains January session score was 99.43 percentile and I missed the state topper by a few marks, but this time I overcame that. JEE Mains is quite repetitive with its questions, like you can even get a good rank just by doing the PYQs thoroughly, but if you really want to get like a decent rank, then you can solve other materials also, like the modules are a must, you must do that, and some other materials like reference books, etc. Stellar not only helps you to do well in competitive exams but also in board exams, and they also train you to do well in the competition of real life. I was enrolled in the integrated program of Stellar Academy. Like I used to get a lot of time in the evenings to do self-study and solve questions, and the teachers were always there to solve my doubts. Like I could approach them whenever I needed. And also I would like to thank my parents for their wise decision of enrolling me into this academy. To all the students who are aspiring to clear NEET and JEE, I would strongly recommend Stellar Academy because over here the teachers give you personalized attention. They help you whenever you need them. Like you can approach them whenever you want. Also the tests are like really good. The modules are also very good, and they are like in general very helpful.
Hello everyone. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the jubilant success of our student Supash Chodankar, who has topped the Goa State in JEE Mains. He is the overall topper in session 1 as well as session 2. He has scored 99.94 percentile, which is one amongst the highest in last many years. Other than Supash, or three more students have scored above 99 percentile. Their names are Amar Lashkarwale, Alaya Dicruz and Varen Sikera. Other than these four students, total 24 students have scored above 90 percentile amongst the result compiled so far. So we have consolidated our performance in JEE Mains. We are hoping similar kind of result in JEE Advance also. We are hoping that these students are going to secure first, second rank in JEE Advance also in Goa State. And with this, I want to tell you that over a period of time, we have given top rankers in NEET. We have given top rankers in boards also, whether it is in CBSE board or Goa board. We have given topper for JEE Mains also. We have last year given topper for Indian Statistical Institute exam with All India rank 39. So we are promising that with the faith of the parents, we are going to work very hard. I congratulate all the students, their parents who repose their faith amongst us, and we are going to work really hard to make even better result, to produce even better result in future. Thank you so much.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.